So, today I bought a little Lego set that we're going to be building and reviewing today. And it is the Clone Trooper and Battle Droid Battle Pack. As you can see here, it is a pretty cool set. I really like how you get a whole bunch of minifigures in this Lego set. So yes, we shall open it up and see how it turns out. So here we have everything built and it looks pretty cool. We get a bunch of figures in this battle pack. So let's start with some droids. Here you have your regular normal B1 battle droid, nothing too fancy. Here you got 3 super battle droids, and I do really like these figures because they're like very super detailed and everything. So yeah, over here we have a battle droid on top of his little pod here. Pretty cool. He has a little gun in the back. So yeah, and right here we just have a little crate, and then in this crate you can find one of these. Now, over here, we have our clone troopers. Here we have our standard phase 2, I'm pretty sure, clone troopers. And so here we have these two, which are on a speeder bike. These figures are very good, in my opinion. They have good printing and everything. I really like these figures. And the build for the speeder bike is pretty cool too. And then they have another regular clone trooper. This one, he's got a good old gun there. Now over here, we have the shock clone trooper. He has a pair of binoculars and a gun. Then you have this little shooting area right here. You just click it and it fires. Weird. Here it is. Just like that. And for our final build, we have the... Hold on. Okay, yes. So this is the Droid. I'm not really familiar with all the different droids in Star Wars, so I don't really know a lot of their names, but this one is the Droid, and you can see on him he has his nice little long legs that can move back and forth, just bendy legs, got 3 of them. Then in here he has a very like weird piece. I've never seen this piece before, and it's like a purple shiny piece, like very glittery. So that's pretty cool. Just snap that back onto him. And for his play feature, he has some of these, these little flick missiles. Let me just push them out. But these are the ones that you have to actually get in and... Oh, why is this not working? And you just... Nope. Flick, 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 flick. The droid where you just flick, flick. Stop moving. Take this right here and you flick. And you just flick it like that. Oh, that took me so many tries. Yes, I'm struggling. It's currently 3 o'clock in the morning as I am filming this. So yeah, this is the Clone Trooper and Battle Droid Battle Pack. Pretty cool set in my opinion. I like it for the amazing amount of figures you get in this set. So yeah, if you want to see any more Lego stuff, related content, or reviews like this, let me know in the comments, and I will see you guys next time. Bye bye.